This is how to open your first trade on Metatrader 5 using an Exness account. Watch till the end if you are a beginner so you can open your very first transaction in the forex market. Please make sure to follow along every step I'll tell you in this video guys, because there will be some restrictions on your account if you skip some steps. Be careful. Hi guys, the Forex guy here, and through this channel I will frequently share a lot of Forex contents. If you guys have the same interest as me in the Forex industry, make sure to hit that subscribe button guys so you don't miss my upcoming videos. First of all, what you need to do is open an account. I've provided an Exness link in the description guys. Please click it to open a trading account. Click the register button. Fill in nationality, email and password. Password must be formed by the combination of uppercase, lowercase, numbers and symbols. And in the partner code section, type this code. It will make you registered as my client and you'll be able to participate in my running and future programs, promotions and bonuses. The code is UU1IRT34. UU1IRT34. Make sure you don't write the wrong code. Type it carefully bro. And then click continue. If you find this pop-up, click the real account. Second, verify your account. Verification is a must to get your account active, because if you don't, you can't use your account for trading. After you logged in to your personal area, you will see a complete profile button. If you log in through Exness app, it will be in the profile button and you can find the account verification button there. Complete the verification process. Use your ID card or driver license card photo to verify. Check back periodically to the verification page until you see the status of your account is verified. Step number 3. Deposit. From your personal area, right below your account number, there is a deposit button. Click it and then choose a payment method to send your money to your account. The methods and the minimum deposit might be different for each country. Here in Indonesia, the minimum deposit is $10. What about yours guys? Please type it in the comment. After you've deposited money to your account, now we jump to the last step. Step number 4. Log in your Exness account to MT5 and trading. First we need to know is the account details, still from your personal area. Pick which account you want to link to MT5. And then click more. And then click account information. First detail you need to pay attention to is the server and then the MT5 login. Now open Metatrader 5. You can download it from App Store or Play Store. Metatrader 5 or MT5 is a trading platform used by traders globally. This is the popular one. If it's your first time opening the MT5, you'll see this pop-up. Just ignore it by clicking the cancel button. After that, you'll move to the search box to find your broker. On that box, type Exness. It will show a bunch of search results. Pick the one that says Exness Technologies. Make sure you pick the right one, bro. From Exness Technologies, there is a drop down here. Now pick the same server as it's shown in your account information. Again, make sure you pick the right one. Recheck your details, bro. Mine is Exness MT5 Real 15. And then copy the MT5 login from your account details. After that, write your password. The password is exactly the one that you've made when the first time you opened this account. Just in case you forget, you can reset it from your account information. Once it's all filled, click sign in. If MT5 shows your account name, it means you have successfully logged in your trading account to MT5. And now you can make your first trade. If you are struggling with linking your account to MT5, follow and send a message to my Instagram guys @udforex. No worry, I will help you. To make a transaction on MT5, go to the chart menu. This one is called pair. You can change it to any pairs you want to trade. After you pick a pair, you can analyze the chart. You can also change the time frame here. If you have found a conclusion whether you want to buy or sell it before make a transaction, start with adjusting the lot size here, bro, and click buy or sell. And that's it. Your first transaction just made. So that's how to open your first trade on Metatrader 5 with Exness account. Hope you find this video helpful, bro. Always support me guys by clicking the subscribe button below. And finally, until next time.